Good morning, respected judges, teachers, and my lovely students. I am Kanti, an English mistress at Government High School Ashahur, Jalandhar. I welcome you all in the online Teachers Fest. And today I am going to teach homonyms to the students of 9th class. So let's begin. Dear students, there are so many words in English which have same pronunciation but have different spellings and different meanings. Such words are called homonyms. And students, do you know what is pronunciation? It is the way in which a particular word, letter or sound is said. For example, right and right, here and here. Students, as you can see in the PPT, these words are identical in pronunciation but are different in spellings and meanings. Students, now we will learn some homonyms and we will learn them by learning their meanings. First of all, I have taken two words, birth and birth, and meaning of the first birth is being born, and the meaning of the second word is a place to sit in a train or ship. Look at the pictures to understand the difference in their meanings. The next two words are brake and brake. The meaning of the first brake is the part of a vehicle used to make it slow. The meaning of the second word is to separate something into pieces. The next two words are here and here. The meaning of the first hair is the long thin strand that grow on the head. The meaning of the second hair is an animal that look like a rabbit. And the next two words are pane and pane. The meaning of the first pane is a piece of a glass fixed in a window. And the meaning of the second pane is an unpleasant feeling in your body part on being hurt. Students, now the last two words are very easy and very simple, and these are right and right. The meaning of the first right is correct or true, and the meaning of the second right is to write something on a piece of paper with the help of pen or pencil. Dear students, now it is the time to note down the home assignment. Please look at the PPT. I have given you 5 sentences. Note them in your notebook and fill the appropriate word from the pair of words given in the brackets. Dear students, for any query, please feel free to call me and send your homework to me by Monday. Hope you all have understood as well as enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you. Have a great day. Stay home and stay safe.